So we're automobile dealers and rebuilders. This is our first experience with a jet ski. Almost midnight getting it off a trailer. You need to go higher. Alrighty guys, we're all set to go. So a little backstory, this is the first jet ski right here. As you can see, the insurance marks right there. We got a little bit of damage. 2017 Sea-Doo. This is the first of 4. And it's a little bit dark out here, but you know, tomorrow morning we'll go ahead and come back and show you the proper damage.
I get something this.
No,
at least the mechanic know what they do.
So we need to check for water since there's damage on the bottom. We have to check for water. We got damage on the bottom right here. The water made its way through the bottom. The previous owner opened the drain plugs right away, and they got that foam and broken fiberglass residue inside the drain plugs when they drained the water. So they took care of it right away. The gas smoke was too. So the accident was only like 45 days ago. Yamaha TR1, that looks pretty badass. Water.
Wait.
Check the pressure. Want to run a pressure test around and see what's breaking?
What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the start of a brand new channel that we'll be calling Black Eagle Automotive. So pretty much some background information. The way we came about this name is that the national animal for Germany is black eagles. The national animal for America is bald eagles. So, you know, bald eagles have already taken over. So we're here to bring you some black eagles. Now let me go ahead and show you what's the first project we're going to be rebuilding on this channel. And this is one of 4 that we have coming in. So this right here is a 2017 Yamaha Wave Runner EX Sport. We got this from the auto auction. It was an insurance claim. You know, came with a little bit of damage, which we'll show you in a second. But it only has 23 miles on it, 23 hours, my bad. And it's a fairly nice machine right here. So we got this custom stand right here, built specifically to be able to work on these. And let me go ahead and show you the damage that we'll be working with on this one. It is in the front. There was a collision. Okay, we don't have much light, so let me go get a light real quick. I'll be right back. All right, so the damage that we were looking at, let me grab my handy dandy light. Shout out to Harbor Freight. Show you guys what we're working with. So as you can see in the front here, let me go ahead and get down for you guys. There is a little bit of a hole in the body of this jet ski here. So, you know, we're gonna go ahead and do some fiber work on that and try to get that running. One thing we did notice, which was some really good news, is that the previous owner clearly knew how to work in his machine, because once that hole came in and it flooded in with water, this is the way we got our skis, and I'm most likely assuming that the owner went ahead right away and undid both drain plugs. That's great news for us, because that means that he knew how to properly use his machine, and we're able to get that water out immediately. And you know, I think that's why we're able to get it running, and it wasn't too bad. So let me go ahead and show you guys exactly what we'll be repairing this with. So we got some Evercoat fiberglass resin right here, and our fiberglass mats. And right now, it is getting late on us. So we're gonna go ahead and come back in the morning with my body guy, and we're gonna get started on this beast right here. So this is one of 4, like I was telling you guys earlier. One we do have coming in is a 300 horsepower supercharged jet ski. I can't remember if it was a Sea-Doo or Yamaha. So we'll, you know, be able to see that when it comes in. And we also have 2 other ones that have similar damage that we're going to be rebuilding on this channel, walking you guys through the process and showing you how you can do something similar at your own house. Alrighty guys, it's the next day here. I went ahead and picked up some expanding foam this morning, and we've already started on it. This is the foam right here. We're using it to fill in our large gap. As you can see, there's a foam here, but it broke off. So we're gonna go ahead and fill that in and do it the proper way. Alrighty guys, as you can see, we went ahead and added all the expansion foam, added a little bit of fiberglass in the mix to kind of stiffen it up as much as we can. And now we just have to wait about 3 hours to, you know, let it dry up, sand it down, shape it up, and continue moving along. So we'll see you then.